Hey guys and girls, it's Nathan here from B.Invested.com.au, bringing properties out of the vault today. Today I have got a very sexy number here, $159,000. 159 grand. You can't even build a property for 159 grand. What are we looking at here? This property was purchased about 2 years for one of our clients through Property Investment Agents, our buyer's agency firm. This is a 1-bedroom unit, modern. It's only about 10-15 years old. Rent on it, these things are renting out for about $270, $280 a week. We have a few in this complex. From a perspective of value, these things at the time were probably worth about $190,000. Looking in the current market, around the $220,000. Where is it located? It is located smack bang in the CBD of the Gold Coast. So people say, people lose money in the Gold Coast. You can't make money in the Gold Coast. The market's very buoyant. No, it's not. The fact is that throughout the 90s, throughout the early 2000s, there was a lot of dodgy salespeople who went to these areas and they fly you up to Queensland. They get you all happy in holiday mode. They make you sign a contract and then they sell you some crap property which appears to be cheap compared to what you'd be paying in Sydney or whatever. And you go, I've just bought a lovely house, and they're selling you on their emotions. The properties that I buy, a lot of the stuff that I've bought in Queensland has been 50 to 100 grand less than what the original owner paid for it because they got ripped a new one. It's important to make sure your numbers stack up. Over the course of the GFC, there hasn't been any building happening, any development happening because the commercial loans, the construction loans got tightened, and a lot of people got themselves in trouble from the developer side of things. People are smarter today because they've got realestate.com, Domain, Google, all that sort of stuff to make sure if they're getting taken for a ride or not. So I don't think that stuff will happen no more. This here is a good fundamental property. There's an abundance of tenants. I know that Blink Property on the Gold Coast is the largest property management firm throughout the Gold Coast, and it's the fastest growing one. It has mentioned to us the other week by the Real Estate Institute of Queensland. From that perspective, we have basically a 0% vacancy rate. We've got tenants lining up. So looking at the properties, there's an abundance of tenants. There's lots of buyers. We bought it below market value. It's got depreciation. $159,000 for this thing. You can't even build the thing for that. Opportunities are out there. You can't go and buy this for $159,000 in today's market. I do pick up properties that are cheap in today's market. It's now August 2015, just for date stamps so everyone can see in the future. It's a different market wherever. But this is a good, solid property, low risk, good upside property for a foundation property portfolio. I personally have bought lots of these properties and I own lots of these properties in the market as well. This is one that we bought for a client at Property Investment Agents. If you have any questions, you want to get cheap properties, you might be sitting there scratching your head, how the fuck does this guy get these properties so cheap? It's not by pulling out my little dagger and stabbing the real estate agents with it. It's a matter of being educated, buying the properties below market value, understanding the market and having a strategy to accumulate these things and building wealth. Have any questions, make contact with us, send us an email, give us a call, check out the website, and we'll catch up soon. Look forward to being able to show your properties in 5 years' time and how you've kicked ass and made lots of money. Have an awesome day.